Hi, and welcome to Uncle Scott's Kitchen. Today we're going to review a Lodge enameled cast iron care kit. Let's get started. Okay, now I occasionally take a little bit of artistic license when I describe my wife's cooking, or her cooking. Well, the other day she decided to make these lettuce wrap things, except for with cabbage, kind of like a P.F. Chang's lettuce wrap, but kind of not. Sounds great on paper, unless you go away and accidentally leave your enameled Dutch oven on the stovetop and boil it absolutely dry. So let's take a look at what's inside and see if we can clean this up. Woo! Oh, Lord. It's like a truck stop restroom in there. For this one, for this cast iron enameled Dutch oven, I went with a Lodge cleaning kit. Comes with a bottle of cleaner, a brush, a scraper, some little lid protector things. But we're really going to put this thing through the test. I took this horrible burnt on mess and I tried to use the included scraper to scrape some of it out. It was really just fused to the surface. It was burnt on there. It was stuck on. The scraper didn't work at first, so what I did is just fill it up with hot water and some dish soap, let it soak for a while. Then after an hour or so, I came back and I hit it again with that scraper, and most everything came out. Then I used the included brush, gave it a good scrub, and then I washed it out well with a sponge. I dried it, and then I used the included enameled cast iron cleaner. I squirted some in. I rubbed it all around with paper towels, with a sponge. I did this 3 or 4 times. And I've got to say that unfortunately I'm a little bit disappointed with it. Now there's no doubt that the surface of the Dutch oven is very clean. All that gunk is gone, it's smooth to the touch. But I'm a little bit disappointed that the cleaner didn't really take off any of the stains. Now this is actually about a 10-year-old Dutch oven, and the more you use these things, the more stains are going to pick up. But I was really hoping that this enameled Dutch oven cleaning kit would really kind of take away some of those stains. So what I did is get out another Dutch oven. This one is a Lodge. It's about 5 years old. It's just got some light staining at the bottom. I thought this might be a little bit easier test, so I repeated the process. Used the cleaner, rubbed it in, did it a couple of times, and it got a few of the stains out, but really it did not get all the stains out. So even on a little bit lighter mess, this Lodge kit, it gets the Dutch ovens and enamel cast iron clean, but it does not remove all the stains. So for the Lodge cleaning kit, I'm not sure the value is there. It cost over $20. And really, the results it produced, I'm not sure they're that much different than you could achieve with dish soap and a scrubby sponge. So unfortunately, the Lodge enamel cast iron cleaning kit, I give a thumbs down. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. Here are some other videos you might like, and please leave questions, comments, and feedback. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time on Uncle Scott's Kitchen.